Bad front-end practices versus good front-end practices. Cluttered layouts. Too many elements on the page confuse the user. Minimal layouts. Focus on simplicity and clarity. Inconsistent design, such as random fonts, colors, and spacing. Design assisting. Consistency improves user experience and reduces maintenance. Ignoring accessibility, such as not considering keyboard navigation, screen readers, or color contrast. Accessibility first. Accessibility broadens your audience and is often legally required. Poor performance, such as large images, unnecessary animations, slow page load. Optimized performance. Users leave slow sites. Speed matters. Not mobile friendly, such as fixed layout, elements cut off on mobile screens. Responsive design. Mobile first design is now essential. Overcomplicated navigation, such as multiple menus, hidden options, confusing labels. Simple navigation. Users should find what they need in 3 clicks. Ignoring feedback, such as when buttons and forms give no response when clicked. Providing feedback. Users feel in control and confident. Hard to read content, such as tiny fonts, poor line spacing, clashing colors. Clear typography. Readability keeps users engaged. No visual hierarchy, when everything looks equally important and hard to scan. Clear visual hierarchy. Visual hierarchy improves comprehension and conversion. Ignoring user testing, such as building once, ship, and hope for the best. Continuous testing. Testing validates decisions and prevents usability issues. Clean front-end practices make websites usable, accessible, and enjoyable, and keep your users coming back.